What's good, everybody? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So guys, shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. Almost at 1,600 subscribers. So thank y'all very much. So I did a recent post, like I always do. I do these posts because I see it as a way to interact with my subscribers, get y'all's feedback. And well, the latest post that I did was if I should start blogging. The majority of you said yes. I had 3 options: yes, no, and you don't care. Surprisingly, there was a percentage that said that they don't care. So I don't know if I should take that the wrong way, or just do it yourself. I mean, just be you. So but for the most part, everybody was on the go and said go ahead and do it. So I'll probably start blogging and we'll see how that works. But so for this video, guys, I have another issue with the G35, but fortunately I know what it is. But unfortunately, I don't have the tools to fix it because I'm not a mechanic. So the issue I'm having once again is the lower control arm. The bushing went bad, and so I'll probably just replace the ball joint and the whole lower control arm. So I went to O'Reilly's and I found it for 88 bucks, 96 bucks. So I actually got it in the back seat. And I'll probably have the car worked on tomorrow. That way I can get the get the car up and going. So yeah, that kind of sucks because having a G35 as a daily has its ups and its downs, but for the most part it sucks because I really want to fix this car up, but it is what it is, guys. So yeah, let me show y'all the part and what the damage looks like. Alright, so this is my control arm that I got, the lower one. So I'll show you, but on my car right here, it's all messed up. This little bushing is all torn apart. So I'm just gonna get everything replaced. But the thing that sucks about having an all-wheel drive G35, when it comes to the suspension, it can get kind of pricey. Not only that, but it is difficult to work on, being that each tire has its own suspension. What I mean by that is, well, what do I mean by that? I mean, what I mean by that is, each tire has its own individual suspension, and it's not all as one. It's individually separate per tire, I guess you can say. But yeah, this is gonna be a lower control arm, but it's gonna be the control arm, the rear world. That's a tongue twister for me, but it's the back of the lower control arm. You have this one, and then you have a front lower control arm. It's confusing, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm having somebody do it because, like I said, I don't have the tools. And if I had the tools, I would do it, but I don't have that press to pop out the bushing, and I don't really have the time. So I'm gonna have it done. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. As you saw, I think I need a little more work than just stacked lower control arm, what I noticed. But for the most part, the main thing that needs to be addressed is getting those bushings and ball joints fixed with the lower control arm. So I'm gonna get that done tomorrow, and we'll see how everything goes. And yeah, hopefully everything works out and I can get back on the road, because like I said, this is my daily driver that I use to go to work. So I need this up and going. So yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow, and we're gonna see what happens. So guys, the last time we left off on this video, I was, dropping off the car at the mechanic. Unfortunately, it's been a week later. Let me explain what's going on. So, like I said, the last time we ended the video, I was dropping the car off at the mechanic. We did get the issue fixed with the lower control arm. They ended up installing it. The bushings were good, the ball joint was good, everything's been replaced. But they did, pinpoint some things that that needed to be addressed. The main thing that was a big issue and was causing the noise that that I was hearing on the highway, it ended up being the wheel bearing and the hub assembly. So unfortunately, I didn't have the funds to purchase $160 hub assembly. Not only that, but it was going to be a 2-day lead time to getting that. So I ended up purchasing one online for like $65. Well, not even, it was $56, but with taxes and everything it came out to $61 with shipping, which isn't bad. So today I actually got it. It finally came in right here. It would have been here earlier, but UPS was having issues with the the weather and ended up causing it a delay. So I ended up having to wait a whole freaking week to finally get this in the mail. So tomorrow I'm gonna get this put on, and the G should be working perfectly fine. I haven't really been driving it because I don't want to cause any damage, any more damage to the, to the suspension and the wheel. But I did get a little bit of video. That way you can kind of see what it sounds like. So, I was just driving in the neighborhood because I didn't really want to drive around on the highway. But this is what it sounds like. Hopefully y'all are able to kind of hear what I was talking about. Like I said, it's a real loud thumping noise. So it's just been parked here because it's unsafe to drive. I don't want nothing more to happen. But another way you can tell if it's a bad wheel bearing or a hub, give it a good tug on the wheel and you'll hear like a squeaking noise. If you had the car up and you did that to the wheel, you'll notice it a little more, more than it being on the ground. But for the most part, you'll hear that, squeaking noise. And yeah, I just don't want to, cause any more issues. So I haven't really been driving the G. As you can tell, it's all dirty. So thankfully that part came in. I'm gonna get it fixed, and tomorrow everything should be going good. So yeah, let's see what happens. All right, guys. So I'm heading home right now. Picked up the car. Everything is working good. God dang, guys, I need a freaking haircut. Look at this. Jeez. Got the car. The wheel bearing was bad. They replaced it. They did mention that the axle was kind of loose a little bit, so they retightened all that. But for the most part, everything is working properly. As you can tell, there's no more loud thumping when I'm on the road, so that's a good thing. Now I can drive around safely and get back to making some content on the channel, man. I'm sorry, like I said, it's been out for well, it feels like 3 weeks, but the car hasn't been really driven. So now that I'm able to drive it, we'll put some more content out. And like I said, I'm gonna start this blogging thing. We'll see how that goes. I tried to do a little bit of blogging in this video, but for the most part, the next video I do, I'll do a little bit of blogging, and we'll see what happens. But guys, that being said, y'all have a great day. I'm gonna wash the car, get it nice and clean, and that's it, man. So thank you to all the new subscribers. Like always, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, feel free to subscribe right down below the video, and make sure you put that thumbs up. It's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.